How to use two WhatsApp in one mobile. So if you want to use two WhatsApp in one mobile, then what you need to do is make sure that you have a clone option on your device. So if you have clone option, then what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to the application that you would like to make a clone. And here on the first option, you will have app clone, right? Tap on app clone. Once you tap on it, the clone app icon will be added to your home screen, and you should simply tap on the clone app and you can add another WhatsApp account to that application. So in this way, you will have two WhatsApp applications, right? But if you don't have this clone option, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the WhatsApp which you have, or WhatsApp application which you have. Go with the upper right which has that three dots and then tap on settings. And under your profile, on the right side of your profile, you will have a drop down menu or drop down bar, and here you will bottom you will have add account option. So simply tap on add account. Once you tap on add account, it will take you to the new interface from where you can add an account. So in this way, you can use two WhatsApp accounts in one mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.